Uh, Last trade just hit the take profit. I got, actually, let me show you right here. Maybe you can see it. Like, yeah, $3,000, $454 profit. A lot of trades right here, as you can see it, a lot. And just like today's possessions, today I'm gonna talk about like support and resistance. So because a lot of people losing trades because they're entering randomly, not in a K level. So this was my live account. I'm also entering the same trades in my second phone and my founded next account. Today I'm gonna talk about support and resistance, the K areas, where to trade, where to wait, not even if the setup is good, not to trade, but instead to watch more, like to really watch, because the time you're gonna enter, you're gonna be in a reversal, drop it long or short, anyway. So support and resistance, they're actually simply areas where prices reacts. So support is actually where prices tends to stop falling and then go up, and resistance where prices are tends to stop going up and then immediately reverse and go down. So it's not actually a magic or something, but it's psychology. So in support areas like these, buyer steps in resistance areas, seller steps in, nothing else. So a lot of traders actually misunderstand the support and resistance area. They think that it's lines, but basically it's zones. So the first rule of all, always look left. So because prices always shows where prices already reacted, like this one, you keep looking, must find something like where prices already reacted in. Let's check. You see it. Here is another reaction. So that's a good support area. So it's respected, right? So if you want to trade support resistance by actually adding it to your strategy, you can use it by actually, you must look for a good rejection, like a confirmation, a continuation, or something like big candles, big moves, big rejection, engulfings, like a good pattern. So this is a failed break lower, and it's also a double. It's actually a double bottom with a good hammer. So hold on, it's a failed second entry short for my strategy too. So it's a good entry for me to go to go long. So if your chart actually looks messy, you only need a few K levels. Not all levels are actually called support or resistance, like strong ones. You're only gonna zoom out in the beginning of the day and you're gonna check, oh, that's a good one, prices reacted a lot. You see it? So you put a line, this is a good resistance. We're gonna see, oh, it's reacting right here. So you can see it. If we came along, hold on a second, if we came along right here, we're gonna find. So yeah, it's like good setups right here, rejection bars, prices failed break higher, like a double tops. It's a failed second entry long and then a forward by two-legged pull back down to the EMA and a failed break higher. So it's a good short right here. So this is a good resistance area. If we actually went more left, we might find something. Actually find something right here. This is a one. See it? Another one. Another one. And by the way, it's not only about lines. It's not lines. As you can see, it's zones, because prices does not respect the lines, but actually respect the zones. So whenever the prices are failing to break higher or lower, so it's actually a zone, not only a line or something. So that's all I got like for support and resistance. The only thing left to say is we don't enter in the middle. We wait for setups. If you like trading and having setups into trend lines, that's good. We're gonna talk about the trend lines in the next videos, in the next episodes. All I can tell about support and resistance, we don't actually trade in the middle. We wait for prices to reach like H keys levels, and then we look for confirmations, reversal bars, failed breaks, and that's it. That's all we got for today's episode. So this is how you stop chasing trades and you actually start precision. So master this one and your entries will be improved. And in the next video I'm gonna talk about trend lines, entries, and how to use it in your entry. Like we are kinda close to the setups. We're gonna talk about the setup soon, about the strategy. We're gonna talk about the risk management soon too. So this is it. So from lost to disciplined, this is the series. Follow the series and make profit, and you're gonna lose too. Peace.